Hello, General Inquiries. My name is David. How can I help you today?
Yeah. Hi, I need to change my address.
Sure thing. Now, in order to change your address, I just need to ask some brief security questions. Can I start by getting your social insurance number, please?
It's 111-22211.
Thank you. I'm afraid that's not a valid social insurance number. Could you double check the number, please?
Fine, let me get my wallet. It's 111-22233.
Thank you. Can I have your full name?
Bill.
I'm sorry, is that your full name?
Yes?
I need your first and your last name.
Well, why didn't you say so? My full name is Billy Swarth.
I'm sorry, that still doesn't match. Do you have a middle name or an initial?
It's Billy J. Swarth. Jeez.
Can I have your date of birth, please?
November 10th,
And what year was that?
1991.
Thank you. Can I have the address that's currently on your file?
1137 East 25th Avenue,
What city and province is that?
Alberta.
What city in Alberta?
Calgary.
I'm sorry, that doesn't match the address that we currently have on file. Is that your new address?
Yes, you said you wanted the current address.
Okay, I'm actually looking for the address that we have on your file. It's probably your last address.
Is it in Coquitlam?
Well, these are security questions. I'm not supposed to disclose any information from your file.
Fine, try 50 Birch.
I need the full mailing address.
50 Birch Street,
What city and province is that?
BC,
What city in BC?
Coquitlam,
Was there any apartment or box number?
Box 7.
Thank you. So we just need to go through some additional security questions in order to change your address.
What do you mean? I've given you my name, my address, my SIN. I'm me, buddy.
I understand that, sir, but the law requires that we go through strict security questions to protect your account.
Whatever.
Other than the addresses you've already provided, can you tell me two prior addresses you've ever had on your account?
50 Birch.
You already gave me that address. I'm looking for two prior addresses.
50 Birch is my prior address.
Right, but we haven't changed the address yet.
Can we do that?
We can, once we get through security.
Okay, so what do you need?
Two prior addresses.
Prior to 50 Birch?
Yes, please.
Well, I used to live in Saskatoon.
I need a full mailing address.
12 Regina Road, Saskatoon.
That doesn't match anything that I have on file. Is that the only place you lived in Saskatoon?
Yep.
Any other addresses we would have?
Nope.
None other? Keep in mind, we'd have every address you've ever given us, like your first address, maybe your parents' address.
Well, I grew up in Vancouver.
Would you have filed your first tax return while you were there?
Probably.
Great. Do you remember the address?
750 something.
Oh, I need a full mailing address.
Listen, do you remember the addresses of every place you've ever lived?
We obviously don't expect you to remember everything off the top of your head. We do need to go through strict security questions, though, to allow an address change.
Well, I don't remember any of the other addresses. Can you ask me something else?
Sure, let's see what else we can go through. Do you have a copy of your recent tax information?
You mean like a copy of my taxes?
Yeah.
No, I threw that out.
You realize you're supposed to keep documents like that for up to 6 years, right?
No, I didn't know that. Why is that?
In case we or any other agency asks to review it.
Why would anyone do that? I'm honest, I pay my taxes.
What was your net income last year?
My what?
Your net income.
Is that how much I made?
Yes, that is essentially your net income.
I don't know. I think I made about 10,000 last year.
Did you have more than one source of income last year?
No, I only worked the one job.
And you're sure that you only made 10,000 last year?
Maybe I made 20. I'm not sure.
Yeah, I suppose that's close enough. Have you made any payments to us recently?
I think so.
How much did you pay and on what date?
$50?
And when did you make the payment?
Sometime last month, I think.
I'm sorry, that doesn't match anything that we have on your file.
Alright, so how much did I pay then?
Sir, these are security questions.
So?
Would you have a record of the payment, like a receipt or a bank statement?
I don't keep those sorts of things.
Not even an online statement?
What do you mean?
Do you do any of your banking online? If you do, you could log into your bank account and check the transaction history.
My mom handles that kind of stuff for me.
Let's try something else. Could you tell me the name of any representatives on your file?
What?
What I mean is, have you had anyone do your income taxes for you in the past?
No, I do my taxes myself.
Are you sure?
Sure as I can remember.
Fine, we'll try another security question then. Well, we've gone through all the security questions we can go through, and you weren't able to provide enough correct answers.
What do you mean? I gave you my name, my SIN, my address. What more do you want?
Those pieces of information were just the core security questions. They're the basic ones that always need to be answered. But to change your address, we need to go through stricter security questions in addition to those basic ones.
Come on, buddy. I can give you anything else.
We've already gone through every question that we can go through.
I can tell you my mother's maiden name.
We don't have that information on file.
Really? Why not? Is it missing?
No, we just don't collect that kind of information.
Oh, everyone else does. What about my last employer? I can tell you who I worked for last year.
Your employer's name is a security question, but not one that we can use to change your address.
Wait, is there a lower level of security?
Yes,
Can we go through that instead?
we could, but I would only be able to give you information about your account. I wouldn't be able to change your address.
Could you try?
No, it's not a system that prevents me from changing your address, it's the law.
Come on, buddy.
You've basically got two options left if you want to change your address. Either call us back when you have some more information, or make your request in writing.
Okay, fine.
Would you like the address to send your written request to?
No, whatever. I'll just call back.
No problem. Thanks for calling, sir. Have a nice day.
Fucking asshole.
Fuck you!